What's up, anyways? Larry Jeff here. As you can see, we got a package. It's been a while since I've showed a package on film. Since I've seen a package like just by myself off camera, a month or two, maybe. This is something I ordered a bit ago, and I'm really happy it's here. So I'm gonna get right into it. So I cut the side open because I couldn't find something to do it, or whatever. Going from this side, because the other side has my info on it. Okay, that's the receipt. You'll see this stuff in the section. Sure. Get out of the way. As you can see, I got a gaming keyboard. It's pretty nice. Just showing you the back of it. It lights up and all that. And I also got, do I have it the right way? Sorry. I got this. Everyone's like, what the hell's that? It's a gaming mouse. So pretty much I got, whoop, so you can see it. Put them up. I got these two things because, well, my other keyboard I have, it's starting to, some of the keys are starting to stick, like the L, the Enter, whatever. And my mouse, my default mouse I got on my computer, is being a royal douche. It's pretty much, oh, you want to do something, you take your hand off the mouse jumps, like it moves by itself a bit. And I decided to get these. I'm not going to put the link where I got them from, but I'll tell you. I got these from Amazon.ca, well, Canada's of course. Pretty much, I looked up gaming keyboards and I found this, the Extreme Gaming keyboard. And it's a decent price. Plus, when I got it, there was a deal I could get the keyboard and this for a good deal. That's how I get it. Anyway, this will be uploaded soon and all that. Anyway, until then, wait. Before I do all that, I just remembered, there's one more package coming. It'll probably be a tiny bit, depending on when this goes up. Anyway, thought I'd let you know that. Anyway, until next time, take care, and of course, well, I keep doing this, keep doing everything else. We'll try this again. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, subscribe me on Facebook, Twitter, of course, here on YouTube. Like, comment, favorite, share on all my videos. I read all the comments and all that. And for more funny stuff, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Take care, and of course, like always, everyone, as I always say, peace!